time to turn it over to Jesse in Studio K.
Thanks, Michael. Yep. Well, you know, there's a lot going on in the four-state area this month, and that's why we bring our friend Emily Frankowski from Connect to Culture in to break it all down for us. Emily, how are you this morning?
I'm doing great, Jesse. How are you?
I am wonderful. I'm ready for a new week, and hopefully we can focus more on what's going on here in the four-state area, less on election stuff. So without further ado, let's break it down and start with performances.
Absolutely. I think we all need a break.
Oh, yeah.
So the first performance we have on the list is Mad Science at Northwood. This is Friday, November 13th, so Friday the 13th, 7 p.m. I don't know if you've ever been, but Northwood Arts and Events Center is a neo show, and it's actually an old church built in 1907.
Wow.
It can seat about 200 inside. They've reinvented it into an arts and entertainment kind of event space.
Right.
So this is going to be a jazz funk quartet from Springfield that's going to come and provide some musical fun for everybody.
That's awesome. That sounds like it'll be really jazz in a church. You said that.
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
It's beautiful inside too. They've taken a lot of care to really keep the integrity of the building and just a really cool space.
Very cool. And then Dream Theater's got some stuff going on, right?
Yes. Dream Theater Company is presenting The Nightman Cometh, and this is Friday and Saturday, November 20 and 21st, 7:30 p.m. If you don't know what this is about, you kind of have to be a fan of It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia, the TV show, because this is kind of a rock opera that one of the main character presents at the end of the fourth season. So if you're a It's Always Sunny fan, this is for you. If not, I don't know if you'd be that completely in tune with it, but it's all for a good cause. It's actually a fundraiser for Jomo Pride, so it should be a lot of fun for those that know, kind of are in the know,
Well, I love that photo too, so that's fantastic. So we'll have the info about those performances on our page, and then really quickly, I know there's some events that are happening as well, including a book launch, right?
Yeah, there's a book launch with a local author, F.C. Schultz, An Honest Life is Immortal. So it's a collection of poetry. If you pre-order the book, you get to be into this live launch where he will recite some of his works, Thursday, November 12th, 8 p.m. So that's really fun. And then we also have a Christmas family photo opportunity at Joplin Little Theater, Saturday, November 14th at 9. So just give them a call if you want to have your Christmas photos taken on the Joplin Little Theater stage. Sounds like a really great Christmas card idea.
Yeah, that sounds fun. Well, especially with the holidays coming up, it makes sense. Get your cards and send it to everybody who you can't be with, especially this holiday season. I feel like that's the best way to go.
Exactly.
Very cool. Well, there's exhibits and there's classes and there's a lot more happening around the four-state area. We'll have the info about those performances and events on our morning show page, and then we're going to come back and ask Emily all about some exhibits and, frankly, some classes to learn how to get into the arts even more. So we'll be right back on the KOA Morning News on Fox 14 right after this.